Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, except for today it is raining and it's 2023, and this is the first video for 2023 for the Mission Flag Garage channel. And as you can see behind me, this one here is going to be the build that I start this year first, hopefully. Plus I have some other project cars and my Hellcat that I need to work on also. So what I'm gonna do is, once I finish showing you guys the Mini, I'm gonna go over to my storage area where my other cars, most of all my project cars are at, and then I'll let you guys see the whole, not the whole collection, but the whole rust bucket of cars, and the cat, because I got to pull that out here soon and actually start driving it and doing some stuff on it to get ready to do some racing this season. But again, 2023, a lot of projects going on, so I'm gonna be pretty busy between work and here. Hopefully not as busy, so I could put out some more videos, because I'm not sure how busy I might be, because I'm probably looking to start my master's program this spring. But I say thank you, welcome to the channel again. Definitely guys, hit that subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment on the videos. I'm trying to get to 10K by the end of the year, so you guys could help me get to 10K. Doesn't cost a thing to hit that subscribe button down below. So now let me go ahead and show you this project car and then the other cars and what I have going in my plan, and hopefully you guys could help me out and keep me on track. And also Thursday, I know my man Steven Mims will be on me for Tool Time Thursday, so I'm bringing Tool Time Thursday back, and I'm gonna stay consistent with Tool Time Thursday. There's gonna be some repeat tools, because I'm gonna actually show how they're being used versus just doing an unboxing. So let's get to it. All right, so here it is, guys. It's a 1980 Mini Cooper in this beige color. I'm also gonna be redoing the garage, so when I move it over, take some of the stuff off of the wall, so I could definitely work on it. And I'll show you here with the Burberry interior. Got the Union Jack on the roof. As you can see, right-hand drive. And also something very different. It's an automatic. Rarely you see these in an automatic. Got an Alpine, so it doesn't start at the moment. It's kind of finicky trying to get it start. The battery's dead. So I'm just gonna give you guys a what's it called, a walk around, and show you. I'm gonna more than likely change the color. I'm gonna give you guys some color choices and see which ones you guys want to vote on. So there's a little bit of, you know, like nicks here and there. I'm gonna have to peel this off. I'm sure there's some rust. Get the windshield out, try and get some new trim. But I already have a gasket kit back there in the front. So let me open it up. All right, I got it open. Hold on here, guys. Let me put you guys down. All right, here it is. Got it open. It's not bad. I don't know why you got these train horns on there. As you can see, the wiring is a mess. Gonna pull the engine out. It's leaking. Somebody put the fan in. The fan look like it's in the wrong direction. Right now it doesn't start. I do have this big Bendix starter. So I'm gonna take that off first, because I want to get it started before I take it apart, so I know that the engine was working before I pull it apart, which it'll work still afterwards. But here, just a quick walk around of the car as much as we can. There's the engine bay. So yep, gonna change the color. Keep the grill. I do like to keep the fog lights. Little mini wheels, look like golf cart wheels. So I'm gonna have to pull this piece off of here to make sure that there's no rust or anything underneath it. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. So now I'm gonna go over to where the other car is at. Son's home, got a full driveway. Wife, daughter, we gotta finish the dad-daughter build on this because it's pretty much complete. And then of course Tigress and Volvo. You know, I'm a Volvo guy. So we got a bunch of projects, bunch of stuff. First I gotta rearrange and clean up the garage and get started on this within the week. At least we're gonna pull the starter out. There's a place here that rebuilds starters, see if it works, and then we go from there, because these Bendix starters are pretty expensive. So here I am at the storage unit. Here go my tires. There goes the Max. My other XC90. The other project, my Project Phoenix, caught on fire. So I'm going to definitely work on that once I start, or even while I'm doing the Mini. There goes the GTO, Volvo, Mercedes, G35. So it's a bunch of, I don't know, junk to people, but I love it. Except for the GTO, of course. The GTO is the GOAT. So definitely going to be working on that. With the GTO, it needs the transmission rebuilt. You know, that's notorious on GTO. This is the 6.0 engine. But yeah, here's Max. I'm going to put you guys down. I don't know where I'm going to put you. Give you guys a nice cold start since I hadn't started it in a while. I'll put you over here on Project Phoenix. There it is, fellas. The drag cat. About to pull it back, well, drive it back over to the house. I got a bunch of stuff to do in the engine bay and the fuel system, so stay tuned. As I hear, it's getting super foggy outside, so I'm about to close this back up and head back over to the house. I got some other stuff to do. I got the Land Rover wheels over here. So yeah, guys, so this is what I have going for 2023, a bunch of different projects. Make sure you definitely subscribe to the channel down below. I'm trying to get to 10K by the end of the year. I think that's reasonable, 10K. If I get past it, I'll blow past my goal to 50,000. So, but baby steps. But definitely, thanks for checking out the channel. Stay tuned for the builds for 2023. It's going to be a big year. Going to be busy. Get to it. I'm going to ask a lot of questions, see what you guys want to do. Tool Time Thursday, color choices, different thing like that. And then, of course, a little bit of race in action. Not much, a little. But again, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you. 2023 going to be a big year for us. We out. Peace.